Can you show us which way is your no? Thank you. Are you somebody that we've already spoken to this evening? Yes. Thank you. Are you a male? Someone's trying to remember all the bloody male names that we've had this evening.
Are you Dad?
Are you Arthur? No. Was that no? That was no, isn't it?
Definitely.
Yeah.
John.
Yes.
No.
Jack.
Yeah. Oh.
Where's the beeps come from?
It's by Alice.
Oh,
It's going
might be worth having. I was going to say it might be worth finding out what that's saying.
It's literally going nuts, isn't it?
Your energy is
It's in the
so
file, the
strong.
little box at the side.
Can you feel mine
Yeah.
between me and you?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I can do this weird thing where I can make a ball of energy
Yeah, I
between
can
my
feel
hands.
it.
Ian, might be worth
and
getting
I can-
the thermal
energy
gun.
You are giving out.
See if there's anything going on between.
Okay, Phil, I know you're not touching it.
I'm not sure where Emma's got Emma put it.
It's
It's
lovely.
blue and black.
Okay, Jack. Can you tell us? Are you a child?
That looks like, yeah.
Okay. I'm going to assume that you're an adult. Is that correct? Thank you. Did you used to work here? Yes. Did you work in the garden?
Red. Okay. Can we have red for no and green for yes on that device if you just touched it?
No.
No. Okay. Thanks for that.
Okay, red for yes, green for no. Oh, well, I wasn't expecting that, but okay.
If you didn't work in the garden, did you work in the house? Did you work here when it was a school?
You caretaker.
Yes.
Caretaker.
Is there anybody else who's here with you?
No.
Oh, okay. Thank you for talking to us.
No.
Okay, fair enough.
Do you not like people?
No. They can be a bit much, can't they? They're overwhelming. Yeah, no feeling. Did you live near here?
No.
No, okay. So did you just come here for a short time? You were here for a long time? Dollar.
Did you used to live here?
That's correct.
Script, yeah, he's got that script. Oh yeah, used to live here.
Okay. Something else to ask. Anybody else?
When we was last in the garden, was you the shadow we all saw? Me and Emily. Do you remember we was last here?
Yeah. Was you the person that pushed past me by the apple tree?
Do you know who it was? Was it one of the kids?
No, it was definitely an adult.
Sounds like the radiator, doesn't it?
It's not radiators behind there because that's the thing. That's
No, I
the
mean,
wall
like-
outside. Like upstairs.
Yeah.
There was a bomb up there then.
Is that you, Jack?
I can hear it tapping out there.
Yeah, I can hear it happen.
Just trying to figure out where it's coming from. So if we need it up from the ceiling.
There's a pipeline
Yeah.
in the.
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
Want to ask me anything, ladies?
Yeah, there's plumbing that literally follows the edging of the building.
No, I'm at that point as well. I'm just like,
Go on, Miss Zach, you know.
Did you... Attitude.
Is that what you're about?
Tara got attitude, is that what you're saying?
I've just got
Yes.
red.
She's got a good attitude though, right?
Yeah. Got a vision like a little bloke with a pipe in his mouth.
Do you know any of us here?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that because we've been here before? Is that because you're... Oh. I am. I don't know. Are you related to one of us?
No.
Okay, but you know one of us. And it's not because we've been here before. Okay. If I say a name, can you then tell me which one of us it is that you know?
Not
Maybe
playing
too
silly buggers.
easy.
You're not playing games.
He just
Huh?
likes playing silly buggers.
Likes playing games. Okay, well, come on. Will you let us do that, please? We want to understand. If we say a name, will you tell us, Ed?
You read?
Ed was upstairs.
Was it?
Okay. So. Yeah.
Lower your voice.
Okay, calm down.
Okay. Can you tell me? No, now, not soon. Is Laura the person? Alien? No, I don't think so. Is Laura the person? No. You want me to yell now? Make up your mind. Is it Sophie?
Okay.
I love you. It's your energy.
Have you followed it here from home? Yes. You're thinking about that, you don't want to tell us, do you?
That's very indecisive, isn't it? So maybe.
Okay. Oh yes, no, absolutely. Yeah, no, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah. Are you sure it's Sophie that you want to speak, that you're here with? That's a yes, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay.
But you're not related to Sophie.
This feels different, it's changing.
Yeah.
It's changing.
Give it to me.
This isn't Ruth, is it?
Give it to me. That was.
No.
No, that's all right, Angela. Just making sure it feels different. Different around it.
Okay. Do you have a message that you're trying to, are you trying to communicate with Sophie?
No.
No.
You just.
We just want Sophie to know that you're here.
Yeah. Yeah. Standing well.
Okay.
Because you care for Sophie?
Oh.
You're just being nosy.
We'll just leave it there.
No, you're just being nosy. You just got a carry on, that's all it is.
Do you just like Sophie? Is she just somebody that you just like? Said.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. A lot.
Give it to me.
A lot.
Mine just said give it to me again.
Is it Ruth trying to talk? Is that what you mean? Give it to me.
Yeah.
Is this your relative that was trying to break through? Okay. Ruthie, that's you. We just need you to step aside for now. What we will do is we'll set a time where Sophie can communicate with you privately. Is that okay?
No.
Oh, sorry. Set prayer.
It's the prayer again. She wanted to pray for Madeline.
Yeah.
Madeline.
I feel quite emotional actually.
Yeah, I was just thinking
Yeah.
exactly
Yeah.
the same sort of thing. Okay, I need you to step back now, please. Can you just just step back? Let any other spirits come through.
Want out, girl? Yeah, I'm there.
You alright?
You want to take a seat for a minute?
I'm
You good?
fine.
You sure?